Hello friends, suppose we have been given a data for t and k and we need to fit this data into the Arrhenius equation k equals k naught exponential minus e by rt, and by fitting this data we need to calculate k naught and e. So for this purpose we will be using two MATLAB inbuilt function nlinfit and lsq nonlin. In the syntax of both the inbuilt function, capital K is the final solution and this capital T is the independent variable and k is the dependent variable, and this function file is basically the Arrhenius equation and k naught is our initial guess. But in the case of LSQ nonlin, this function file is the error between the k actual given value of k and the Arrhenius equation, and k naught is again the initial guess as nlin fit. Let us now go to MATLAB and find out the values of k naught and e and check these values with the actual values, as k naught should be 112.36 and e value should be 4586. I have the script file in which I have written the values of t, k and r, and I have globalized these values so that I will not have to write these values again and again to the function that we need for nlinfit and lsq nonlin. Let us first write the function for nlinfit, that is fun nlin. Now let us go to script file. Script file need initial guess k naught. Let us say k naught equals 50, that is k naught value, small k naught, and e value is 1000. Now let us run the file. So we have obtained first value is k naught, small k naught, and this is e value. Let us check this value with LSQ nonlin. The LSQ for LSQ we need a function that is fun LSQ. Since it need an error between the given value and the estimated value, so we are just saying function err, that is error, equals, and let us assume it is capital K. Model equation that has been given to us. And we will calculate the error. ERR equals absolute value of K minus K model. Let us go to script file and run this. So K and lin we had 0.1124 and 4.5863. From LSQ nonlin also we have the same values.